Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the arbitrary keyword arguments or the double star quarks. Okay. If you do not know how many keyword arguments will be passed into your function, add two asterisks before the parameter name. Okay. So this quarks is not that much important. You can call it anything. Okay. But these two stars or double asterisks are important. This way, the function will receive a dictionary of arguments and can access the items accordingly. Arbitrary keyword arguments are often shortened to double star kwargs in Python documentation. Okay? Alright. So now how you can use the double star kwargs? We can use it with the regular parameters as well. We can use the arbitrary positional arguments, that is the star args, with some additional parameters as well, which we will see in this video. Okay, so let's define a function. And here what I want to get the first name and the last name. Okay, inside of the function I can print f string hello there. Okay, and here I can do something like this. And okay, this is totally good. Now here, while calling the function, what I can do, I can pass the first name equals to John and last name equals to Doe. This is simple, right? Now run the program. We are getting hello there, John Doe. This is good. Now, for example, you do not know how many keyword arguments will be passed for this greet function. So how you can catch all of the keyword arguments? To catch all of the keyword arguments, you can use the double star kwargs. Okay, and here I will comment it out briefly, and here I can print kwargs. Okay, run the program. As you can see, we are getting a dictionary right now with first name, which is John, last name, which is Doe. So if I just do something like this, then we should be getting the first name. Okay, this is good. We have seen that while working with the dictionaries, right? So now what I can do, I can uncomment this one, and here I can define the first name equals to kwargs of first name, then last name equals to kwargs of last name. Okay, all right. Now if I run the program, we will be getting the same result. Okay, now for example, if I pass the age as well, equals to something like 25 right now. So now the age is now passed here as well. So in that case, what we can do, we can add this one. You are age. Okay, now we have to grab the age. So age equals to kwargs of age. All right. Run the program. We are getting hello there, John Doe, you are 25. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So in this way, if you do not know what exactly the keyword arguments will be passed into your function, you can catch all of the keyword arguments by using the double star kwargs. In case if you are wondering, we can name it anything. So person details. Okay, run the program, we are getting the same result. But for simplicity and to follow the convention, what we can do something like Kwargs. Okay. All right. Run the program. We are getting the same result. Okay. All right. So here we are getting all of the details here, right? Now, the type of the Kwargs is dictionary, which we have seen. Now what we can do, we can use this Kwargs with some regular arguments as well. Okay. So here I can do something like this, username, comma, and do something like that. And here for the first argument, basically I can do something like John. Okay. So John is the username. So here we can pass or print your username is username. Okay. This is totally valid. So as you can see, hello there, John Doe, you are 25. Your username is John. Okay. This is totally good. All right. So this is how we can use the double star Kwargs or the arbitrary keyword arguments in Python functions. Okay. Now you can combine the star args and double star Kwargs as well. Okay. So how you can do that? You can do that quite simply. So first of all, what you have to pass here, you have to pass all of the positional arguments here. Then the next thing will be star args, and then we will get the double star Kwargs. Okay. So here, if I just do something like, let's pass something like 40, something like that. Okay. So if I just now print args here. Okay. Now run the program. We are getting 40 here. Okay. So this is getting here for the args. Okay. This is the positional argument, which is the username, which is fixed. Okay. Then we are getting this one. Also, if I just pass some other things as well, like something like hi there. Okay. And here, if I just pass some other things here, for example, let's do age, let's do country, set to USA, something like that. And here we can have a look. Okay. So here, while calling our function, I am passing a bunch of positional arguments and a bunch of keyword arguments. Okay. So all of the keyword arguments here will be catched by this one. All of the unknown positional arguments will be catched by args, and all of the known positional arguments will be catched by this one, basically the positional argument itself. Okay. So if I just now run the program, as you can see here what we are getting. So John is the username. Okay. This is the username. Then we are getting 40 and hi there inside of a tuple. Okay. So this is getting catched by the star args. And then all of the other things, the other keyword arguments, first name, last name, age, and country as well. Okay. These are catched by the Kwargs. I hope that makes sense. So in that way, we can use the arbitrary positional arguments and arbitrary keyword arguments all together. Okay. In the next video, we will see this example a little bit more detail, how we can use multiple positional arguments and the keyword arguments all together itself. Okay. Awesome. So in this video, we have learned about arbitrary keyword arguments.